past, divided in this unique way. Alex here to guide you through the history true. Parish profiles giving insight fresh and new. Jamaica got its counties way back in the day. From Middlesex to Surrey, Clarendon on the state. Cornwall sells a beauty with the sandy shore. Alex here to tell you we bring more.
Welcome to Parish Profiles, where we explore the rich history of Jamaica's parishes. But before we dive into those, there's a crucial piece of the puzzle we need to understand first: Jamaica's counties. Now, you might be asking yourself, why counties? What do they even mean for us today? Well, here's the thing. These counties have been around longer than most of the parishes themselves, and they carry a legacy tied to Jamaica's colonial past. So before we journey into the parishes, we need to unravel the mystery of the counties. How did they come about? What purpose did they serve? And why were they named after places in England? Now stick with me, because you're about to discover some fascinating history you probably haven't even thought about. If you find videos like these interesting or informative, you can give this video a thumbs up. What are counties in Jamaica? First off, Jamaica has 3 counties: Cornwall, Middlesex, and Surrey. But unlike parishes, counties don't have any direct role in governance today. They are not involved in our local administration, and we hardly talk about them outside of a few contexts. So why do they even exist? Well, it turns out the counties are a relic from our colonial past, a system that the British established to better organize and control the island. Essentially, they were used to group the parishes into larger regions for administrative purposes, even though counties never had their own government. And while counties have no official function today, their story still influences how we think about Jamaica. So, how did counties come about? The counties were created in 1758, when Jamaica was under British rule. By this point, the island had already been divided into parishes, which were the main units of local governance. However, the British colonial administrators decided they needed to impose more order, and so they divided the parishes into 3 counties: Cornwall, Middlesex, and Surrey. It's likely that these names were chosen by high-ranking colonial officials, reflecting their English origins. Counties were seen as a way to group the parishes into larger, more manageable regions, especially for administrative and judicial purposes. This allowed the colonial rulers to better control the island's vast territory, and it also helped to formalize legal boundaries for land ownership, court districts, and regional identity. So while the parishes of Jamaica have shifted and changed over time, with some being merged, renamed, or dissolved, the counties have remained constant since their creation in 1758. Despite the fluctuating number of parishes, the counties, Cornwall, Middlesex, and Surrey, have stayed the same, providing a stable framework for grouping parishes, even as the island's administrative landscape evolved. At the time, Sir Charles Knowles, the then governor of Jamaica, oversaw many structural changes in the island, though there is no specific record crediting him with the naming of the counties. The counties' names were selected based on English counties: Cornwall, Middlesex, and Surrey, mirroring the British tendency to transplant familiar names from home into their colonies. These divisions helped organize Jamaica during a time when plantation economies and colonial expansion were at their peak. So why does Jamaica have counties? Now, after independence in 1962, Jamaica retained the counties, not because they had an important role in governance, but because they were deeply woven into the island's historical and legal framework. Over time, the counties stopped being politically relevant, and we shifted focus to the parishes, which continue to play a significant role in governance. Yet, the counties did not disappear. They still hold cultural and legal significance. For example, counties are often referenced in cricket, land ownership documents, and in some legal cases. Even in conversations about regional identity, people still refer to Cornwall, Middlesex, or Surrey when talking about certain parts of the island. So, while they don't govern anything today, they are still quietly present in our collective memory. Now, let's take a look at the parishes in each county. Surrey, named after Surrey in England, this is Jamaica's easternmost county, known for its beautiful landscapes and historical significance. Surrey includes Kingston, St. Andrew, Portland, and St. Thomas. Surrey County was crucial during Jamaica's early colonial days and is home to sites like Morant Bay, where one of the most famous rebellions in our history took place. The Blue Mountains also call Surrey home, marking it as one of the most scenic areas of the island. Middlesex. This central county, named after Middlesex in England, lies at the heart of Jamaica. The parishes in Middlesex are St. Catherine, St. Mary, St. Anne, Manchester, and Clarendon. Middlesex holds Jamaica's former capital, Spanish Town, and remains a central hub for commerce and culture. It's also where many of the island's main agricultural products are grown, making it vital for both the colonial economy and modern Jamaica. Cornwall, named after Cornwall in England, this western county is known for its lush landscapes and strong agricultural ties. Cornwall includes Hanover, Westmoreland, St. James, Trelawney, and St. Elizabeth. Cornwall is home to Montego Bay, Jamaica's tourism capital, and was historically important for plantations and the island's sugarcane economy. The region's natural beauty is well known, attracting visitors from all over the world. The lasting influence of counties. While counties no longer serve a political role, they have left an undeniable mark on how we think about Jamaica. From cricket teams to land records, counties remain a part of our cultural fabric. In fact, even regional pride is often tied to county lines, with people identifying as being from Cornwall, Middlesex, or Surrey. Though they're a quiet legacy of colonial Jamaica, counties continue to influence our island in ways that often go unnoticed. So there you have it. While the counties may not play a central role in daily life today, they have a fascinating history and remain an integral part of Jamaica's identity. So, next time you hear someone talk about Cornwall, Middlesex, or Surrey, you will know exactly what they're referring to. If you found this dive into our island's past intriguing, make sure to like, share, and also subscribe to Elite Jamaica. Drop a comment below. Did you know all the parishes in each county? I would love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget, next video, we'll be starting our official deep dive into Jamaica's current parishes, one by one. You won't want to miss that. Anyway, thank you for watching. Stay blessed.
Jamaica divine in a special way. Counties explaining in a brand new way. Elite Jamaica showing history today. Come on, Alex, got something to play.